Hey, yo, what is up? So check it. I have several different LED lights in different sizes, shapes, price ranges, and power outputs. And these are all really important to both my professional and my personal photo and video work. But if I could pick one light to recommend to you guys, giving a strong consideration to price versus performance, that would have to be my YN360III by Youngnuo. What I love about these lights, they're super portable. I can take them with me anywhere because they're so light. Number two, they each come with their own remote where I can just set the light up one time, and then without having to walk over to the light physically for any adjustments, I can do it all wireless with this remote. And I can set both of these to the same channel. They're on channel 1 right now, and one single remote controls both of them. They are bi-color, meaning depending on what I need for my scene, I can go cold white or I can go warm white. Not only that, but there's a color wheel right here on the remote. All I gotta do is tap on the center, boom, RGB mode. And now I can drag my finger across the color wheel and it'll set them to whatever color I need. The only thing that I don't like too much about these is that some of the colors are not as strong or vibrant as I would like, but that's okay, I can still make it work. So price versus performance, Youngnuo YN360III, you can't go wrong. Let's get it.